Someone please listen. You have entered December too quietly. You have entered December too wounded. You have entered December too tired. You have entered December too discouraged. But in the realm of the spirit, I hear a sound like the sound Elijah heard in 1 Kings 18. I hear the sound of abundance. I hear the sound of good news. I hear the sound of divine answers. I hear the sound of new beginnings. I hear the sound of restoration. I hear the sound of congratulations. December shall not bury your expectations. December shall not suffocate your joy. December shall not end you. December shall not prolong your battles. December shall not hand you over to disaster. According to Psalm 91, the Lord preserves your going out and your coming in. According to Isaiah 54, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. According to Romans 8, all things are working together for your good. I decree and declare, December, you will not end in tears for my family. December, you will not end in regret for my house. December, you will not end in tragedy for my siblings. December, you will not end in reproach for my parents. December, you will not end with shame. December, you will not end with burial. December, you will not end with bad news. I speak by the authority of Daniel 2 that the God who changes times and seasons is shifting something right now. December, hear me, my family has waited. My family has sown seeds. My family has prayed. My family has believed. My family has endured. My family has fought battles. Therefore, December, respond. Bring the reward. Bring the harvest. Bring the answers. Bring the joy. Bring the open doors. I feel the prophetic mantle rising. Listen. You don't speak to months casually. You don't speak to seasons casually. You speak as a priest. You speak as a watcher. You speak as one who understands Genesis 1, that God gave dominion to man to legislate outcomes in the earth. You speak as one who knows that according to Ecclesiastes 3, seasons are not governed by emotions but by prophetic decrees. You speak as one who knows that according to Hebrews 11, walls are framed by words. You speak as one who knows that according to Psalm 33, the counsel of the Lord stands forever. So I decree and declare again, December, hear me, you shall bring good news to my family. Good news of healing, good news of lifting, good news of restoration, good news of financial settlement, good news of marital progress, good news of divine connections, good news of answered prayers, good news of supernatural help, good news of things we didn't even pray for, but God in his mercy still brought. I declare, let every negative report waiting in December be reversed now. Let every appointment with sorrow be cancelled. Let every secret plan of the enemy be frustrated. Let every whisper of darkness be silenced. Let every altar speaking against your testimony be judged by the voice of the Lord. According to Isaiah 30, I release over your family the covenant of Psalm 112. Your house is blessed. Your children are blessed. Your siblings are blessed. Your parents are blessed. Your loved ones are preserved.